Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2018 Ford Expedition MAX XLT 4-wheel drive SUV with the remainder of its factory warranty. This rugged, truck-based SUV, with its EcoBoost 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6, delivers impressive towing capabilities, third-row seating for up to 8 passengers, a plethora of comfort, convenience, safety and high-tech features, and blistering twin-turbocharged acceleration. This is one highly competent and stylish SUV. Its 10-speed automatic transmission also helps make this a standout in its segment when it comes to fuel economy numbers and fast takeoffs. The MAX is the new name given to the extended length Expedition. The interior of this XLT trim is comfortable, spacious, serene, and modern looking with an exceptional fit and finish. This one enjoys Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, rear parking sensors, a central touchscreen display, a panoramic sunroof, a 110-volt household-style outlet, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, ambient cabin lighting, a sliding and reclining 40-20-40 split second-row seat, and a one-touch 60-40 split fold-flat third-row seat, second-row USB charging ports, and a 9-speaker sound system. The exterior features power liftgate and running boards. Properly equipped, it can tow up to 9,000 pounds. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to rush on over and experience the excellence for yourself. Providing all that you need for daily driving and long-haul comfort, you will be impressed with its twin-turbocharged acceleration, impressive off-road capability, remarkable maneuverability for such a large vehicle, and a commanding view thanks to its tall ride height and seating position. We can guarantee that this one won't be on our lot for long. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign, and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.